Knowing what you know now, if everything was taken away and you had to build a super team, what would be your first step to build that super team?
Me, selling a lot of solar. I am a super team. I'm 2.5 megawatts of solar, 3 megawatts of solar here. That's a pretty damn good little solar dealership. That's a great place to start. I would go through the training. I would learn how to sell solar. And then once I was comfortable doing it, first of all, I'd be recruiting, people to go knock on doors with me, not for me, with me. So that knocking, they're learning. And then, okay, I got a 2 o'clock appointment. You keep going. I'll go in this appointment. I'll come back, see how you did. How'd you do? No one said yes. What a surprise. But what happened? What did they say when you knocked on the door? That guy said he needed to talk to his wife. He was interested, but he needed to talk to his wife. That guy said, don't need your help because I got a solar quote tomorrow from another company. All right, come with me. We're going to talk to that guy that needs to talk to his wife, and we're going to go talk to that guy that's talking to a solar company tomorrow. We're going to make appointments with both of them. Right? So building a team is you don't want to build a big team. You want to build a very, very small team of you. Just you. And add one person that knocks doors with you. And then maybe a second person that knocks doors with you. You want to be in 2 or 3 appointments every day and close almost all of them. And if you're trained to do that, then you can train others to do it. Hiring a bunch of people that don't know what they're doing, that's just a big, gigantic waste of time. It accomplishes nothing.